Let's go to page 568, and this is lesson 12-4. The objective of this lesson is to use a calculator or trigonometric tables to find values of trigonometric functions. So since nowadays most of the people don't use table anymore, so we're just going to use the calculator. So example 1a, you're looking for secant of 34.7 degrees. So this is the calculator lessons. So make sure you know how to use your calculator. So each calculator is different, so have a different key sequence. So you need to know and how to use your calculator and be familiar with the calculator. So if you need help, you need to see me to get help to how to use your calculator. Okay, so over here, you're looking for secant. But notice it only give you the three primary functions. It only give you sine, cosine, and tangent. So what you need to do is first you have to convert into one of these. So secant is reciprocal of cosine. So first you have to make into 1 over cosine of 34.7 degrees. And after that, you just enter exactly what you see. So 1 divided by, so you push 1 divided by, and you have cosine, so push cosine button. You have to enter 34.7 degrees. Now over here, there's a button for degree, minute, and seconds. So, and over here, again, there would be the degree. So enter that. Then you have to close out your parentheses. Okay, and you push equal. And then the instruction asks you to find the 4 significant digits. 4 significant digits means 4 digits. So you have to run off. So it's 1.2163, right? So it's 4 digits. So it would be 1.216. Okay, so make sure you know how to use your calculator. Okay, now let's go to example 1b. This is a cosine of 84 degrees and 20 minutes. Okay, so you can get your calculator and you just enter what you see up here. So cosine 84 degrees, okay, and then 20 minutes. Again, enter over here. Now you have to shift over to get the minute. So this is a degree, minute, seconds, okay, and so you enter that and close out your parentheses and push equal. Okay, and so again, 3 significant digits means the 0 in front does not count. So it will be 0.0987. 0987. Okay, and that would be your answer. Okay, so make sure you know how to use your calculator. Okay, let's go to example 2. So on page 569, example 2, okay, you're looking for cosine of 26 degrees, 27 minutes. Okay. Okay, so this is just like the example 1, right? So you can just go and get your calculator. Okay, and you just go cosine 26 degrees and 27 minutes. Closing your parentheses and push equal. Okay, so this will equal to, again, run off to 3 significant, let's see how many digits. Okay, it didn't say. So if it doesn't say, normally you want to get 4 digits. Okay, so you got 0.8953. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to example 3. So you can make sure you know how to use your calculator, be familiar with your calculator. Okay, example 3, find the measure of acute angle when you have sine theta equal to 0.8700. Okay, so whenever you're looking for the angle, you have to use second function. You have to use the second function, the one on the purple up here. Okay, so again, if they give you the angle, you just go straight forward, typing exactly what you see. But when you're looking for angle, then you just have to use the second function. You have to do the reverse. You have to go second sine. Okay, so that's your inverse sine, and you just enter this number. So 0.8700. Okay, closing out your parentheses, push equal. Okay, so that's your 60 and to the nearest tenth. Okay, So that's your 60.458. So nearest tenth, since this is a 5, so you run it up, so you're going to get 60.5. So it'll be 60.5 degrees. Okay? So again, when it's 5, you have to run it up, so make this into a 5. Okay? Okay. Let's go to example 4. Okay, example 4. So this one you're looking for the angle. Okay, so you have cotangent of theta equal to 0.0782. Okay. Okay, so what you need to do is, again, cotangent, it came from the reciprocal of tangent, right? Okay, so what you do is, you can first change this into 1 over tangent of theta equal to 0.0782. Okay, so cotangent is 1 over tangent. Then what you do is just go and flip things upside down. Okay, flip it over. Okay, this is over 1, right? So flip both sides upside down. So you got tangent theta equal to 1 over 0.0782. Okay? So now you can go and enter that. So you're going to, so again, when you're looking for angle, you have to go second function. So it'll be second tangent. Now inside is 1 divided by that, so you have to use 1 divided by 0.0782, closing parentheses, which equal, so you got 85.528. So to the nearest, okay, they want you to go to the nearest minutes. Okay, so you have to convert, so this is the degrees, you have to convert this into DMS. So what you need to do is you have to go over here and you have to keep pushing that up. Okay, enter, there you go. Okay, so just make sure you know how to use your calculator. So to the nearest minute. Okay, so you have to be aware of this now. Okay, so 1 minute is 60 seconds. So halfway is 30 seconds. So when you have 30 seconds or more, you have to run it up. If it's less than 30 seconds, you chop it off. So this is 42.9 seconds. So it's more than halfway. So you have to run it up to 32 minutes. Okay, so this would be equal to 85 degrees. And again, this 30 seconds is a halfway. So this is more than half. So you have to go up. So it'd be 32 minutes. So again, be aware of that. So again, halfway is 30 seconds. Halfway over here is 30 minutes. So make sure you know how to round it up. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to example 5. Okay, example 5, you're looking for sine of 147.8 degrees and cosine of 147.8 degrees. Okay, so again, you just go and use your calculator. So this one is just, this is the angle it's giving, so you just go straight forward. So you just go sine 147.8 degrees, close out your parentheses, push equal, okay? And so you're going to get, this will equal to, and it doesn't say how many decimals, so you just use 4. Whenever it doesn't say, you just go to 4, okay? Now notice it's 53287. So 7 will run it up to the 8 will go up, right? Again, the 7 will run it up. So you're going to end up with 5329. Okay. Oh, forgot the 0. Messed up. I forgot the 0.5. There we go. Okay, now you do the same thing with cosine. So clear. So this one you have to go cosine. Okay, and you have to enter 147.8, and to get degrees, you get the button for degree. Okay, close out your parentheses, push equal, and this will give you negative 0.846. Now the 9 will make the 1 go up to 2. Okay, so again, this is a 9. So 9 will go run it up to make this equal to 2. Okay, and okay. Let's go to example 6. Okay, find to the nearest tenth of a degree the measure of two angles satisfying. So you got cosine theta is equal to 0.7455, and the angle had to be between this and 360. Okay. So first, let's go and find the first one. Okay, you're looking for two angles. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you're looking for two angles. Okay, that satisfy this equation. Okay, so first let's find the first one, and then after you have to sketch it out to get the second one. Okay, since you're looking for the theta, okay, you have to use second function. So you go second. Okay, so okay, clear. So second cosine of 0.74. Oh, that's a negative. Okay, back up. It's a negative. Okay, this one does not have a. So I'm just going to. Okay, this one does have a negative button, so I'm going to use the minus. See if that will help. Okay, negative. Normally, the negative and the and the minus are not the same. So I'm going to try this out. Okay. Oh, this one is negative. Okay, 0.7455. Okay, close out the parenthesis. Let me see if this will work. Nope. Okay. So this one does not give you the negative. So my calculator does not give me the negative. So I need to do something else. Okay. So again, that's why it's all matter of know how to use your calculator. Okay. So I'm just gonna let's see where's the negative button. Okay. I'm gonna use. That's kind of strange. This one doesn't have a negative button. Oh, right over here. It got erased. Okay, there we go. There you go. Negative. See, my calculator is really old, so see, it got kind of erased. This is where the negative is. Okay. So, see, my calculator is really old, so it got erased. So this is the negative, and this is the dot. There we go. Okay, so negative 0.7455. There we go. Close it out. Push equal. Okay. So this will give me, again, you're looking for nearest tenth of degree. So this would be 138.2 degrees. Okay. Now you have to look for the second one. So what you do is you sketch it out, and to get the second one. So 138 degrees. So this is 90. This is 180. So cosine of 138 is about right over here. Okay, and so what you do is you have to use the coterminal things. Okay, well actually this one you have to. So cosine is horizontal. So the triangle, a triangle that will give you the same horizontal, is going to be right over here. Okay, you see that? So now to find out what this angle is, what you need to do is you have to find your alpha. Okay, so you need to find out what this is. So use 180. So use 180 minus 138 equal. So this is 42. So you have to find your alpha. So that's your 42 degrees. Okay. Now the triangle that will give you this. Remember, cosine is negative, right? So you have to get negative. So you have to use this one here. Okay. So you can. So you see, this is negative. So this one. So you have to find another triangle that will give you the same condition. So you're looking for a triangle that will give you cosine negative. So it's going to be right over here. Okay. Now, the reason you need to find your alpha, okay, so your alpha equal to 180 degrees minus 138 degrees. Okay, so we covered this before, right? So equal to 42. The reason you need to find this angle is so that these angles are going to be the same. Okay, so this would be a 42. So once you know that this is 42, to get this angle, you just add, right? Because from here to here, you just go 42 more. Okay, so another theta, the second theta you're going to need to get is 180 degrees plus 42 degrees. So the second theta you need to get, well, actually it's 0.2. Back up. I missed the decimal. So 138.2 degrees. So this is going to actually is 41.8. 41.8 degrees. There we go. So that's going to fix it. So this is 41.8 degrees. So this would be 41.8 degrees. Okay. So just go and add 41.8 degrees. And just get your calculator. Okay, so you got 180 plus 41.8. And this will give you 221.8 degrees. Okay. And that's it. So can you sketch out help you to visualize? Okay.